In this video I'm going to show you how to weld aluminium, or aluminum even, using a fairly basic MIG welder, but without using a spool gun. Now, the first thing we need to do is to replace the steel liner with a plastic or Teflon liner. Teflon is recommended, but a plastic liner will do just as good. Okay. Now we straighten out the lid. There's no bends in it. And remove the line. Now, as you can see, this is a steel liner, and it's only used for steel wire. It's not you need plastic liner for welding aluminium, or a Teflon liner. Now, here's a plastic liner, and this is out of a Clark machine. What I'll say to you is that just round off the edge of it, a slight bit, the very tip of it, so that it'll go nicely down the into the gun. Because if you snip this plastic liner and leave a sharp edge on it, sometimes it can catch. You just round it off, and the same with this here. Feed it in. Yeah, it's just something I want to show you there. Now, make sure that when you're trimming this liner to size, make sure that the end of the liner is as close to those rollers as you can get it. Okay, so there's no room for the aluminium wire to buckle up. Get it as close to those rollers as you can get it. Make sure it's fed completely up through the lead, and make sure then that you get it as far back and as close to those rollers as is possible. Okay, that'll leave no room for the aluminium wire to buckle up prior to the liner. Now the wire we're using is aluminium wire here. Filler wire is 5356 wire. It's a stiffer wire than the 4043 wire, and I'm using 0.8 mil or 030 wire because it's only a 120 amp meg, so that's the best wire. It works best on this on these small machines. Is 5356 wire and 0.8 mil diameter or 030 inch. Okay, so that's it. Now we have the liner in. Put the wire on. Okay. Make sure when you're feeding the aluminium wire through, you've trimmed off any slight bend to start with here where it was tied up to the spool, and feed it through. Don't let it go. Don't let this bird's nest at all. This bird's nest is here on the spool. There's maybe no use. Once you get it in and get the roller down, it'll be okay. Okay. Put into the groove. Get the roller down. Move it in. Move the tip. Now, switch it on. Okay, that's us through. Switch it back off. Now the tip I'm using is a 1 mil tip, right? 0.8. The tip on for a 0.8. You could use a tip for a 0.9 or a 1 mil tip. All I have is a 1 mil tip. It does grind, yeah, good connection with it. The reason why you need a bigger tip is that the aluminium wire has a tendency to expand and it'll stick to a 0.8 mil tip if you just put that in. Now, that's that sorted. Now we've the wire in, we've the liner in, and we've the tip in. The gas we're using is argon gas, pure argon, and that's basically it now. I think we're ready to weld.